Hello, this is J. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course code and the course name is 23 CSB 201, Object Oriented Programming, Unit 5, IO Streams and JavaScripts, and the topic is Introduction to IO. So before getting into the topic IO, we'll see what is an IO. So IO is input or output streams. So in Java, this process refers to the either reading a data or writing a data is known as an IO operations. So input, in the input we the data that is been received from the keyboard or the network, so it's called the input data, and output data is something the data that has been sent to the either files or the consoles or other destinations. So Java provides IO streams for the efficient and the platform independent for the data transfer. So in the figure below we could see user using, then he's giving some input, then it passes to the Java application, then finally it goes into the action, and finally we get back the output. So this is something, the IO operations that has been carried out in the Java language. So one of the important concept in the Java is streams. Mainly when we are using the IO streams, we'll be seeing a stream. So what is a stream? So stream is a sequence of the data that flows between a program and an external source. So in the diagram to the right we could see the stream source, then the operation it goes to the operation results. So there are two types of streams. First one is input stream, the second one is output stream. The streams abstract hardware details, so this is responsible for having the hardware details and providing the uniform way to handle those hardware details. So this is a Java package. So input output operations, that is IO. It is a package that is used in Java. So java.io.package, it gives the classes for systems and file input output. So the common files or file input stream, output stream, reader, writer, BufferedReader, PrintWriter handles both the byte and character data. So common exceptions, mainly the IO exceptions. So IO exceptions, first one is general input or output exception. Second one is file not found exception. So this is happens when the particular file what we are searching for is not available. And next one is EOF exception. So this is end of file reached exception. So this is the case where the file reached to the end and we are still looking for some further informations. So always in this cases we use the try, catch and finally block. So in previous videos we have seen about the exception handling process. So similarly we will be using try, catch and finally block when we are using this, when you are having these IO exceptions. And next one is stream hierarchy. So the two main categories of streams are byte streams and character streams. So byte streams is used for binary data, example images, audios and examples. So classes input stream, output stream, file input stream and file output stream. And second one is the character stream. So this is mainly used for text data. The classes used in it are reader, writer, file reader and file writer. So IO classes in Java. So first one is type class description. So byte stream, so this is type and the particular type that gives the description, class description. The first one is byte stream, so this is file input stream, and next one is file output stream. So this reads or writes bytes character. Next one is stream file reader. So this is used for file writer, reader or writes characters. Next one is buffered stream. So this is used for buffered writing. Like next one is data stream or data input stream, then data output stream. So this reads or writes primitive objects. Next one is object input stream, object output stream, reads or writes. So mind map. So this is mind map. We could see it contains the primary functions and stream types and IO system consistency. So primary function is used for handling flow of data, and acts as an interface between the program and the external source. And stream types, it is 4 types: byte streams, character streams, buffered streams, and object streams. And last one is IO system consistency. This is used for undefined input output systems. It handles operations consistently, and consistent operations, it includes all the consistent operations. So the questions to solve. So these are the general questions or what we saw in the previous slides. First one is define IO streams in Java, and next one is differentiate between a byte stream and a character stream. And third one is a program, writing a program to copy the content from one file to the another. Thank you.